Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Audi A3. This Audi is powered by front-wheel drive i4 engine, manual transmission, and has 40,687 miles. Elevate your driving experience with this sleek 2017 Audi A3. Enjoy luxury, performance, and advanced tech in a compact design. Don't miss out on this exceptional deal. Test drive today and make it yours. This pre-owned A3 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Audi A3 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.